Want to make videos that actually get seen without a studio, expensive gear, or spending thousands of hours editing? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible with BigVU. Make sure to stick around for the rest of the video so you can see just how powerful BigVU really is. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm logged into BigVU right now. This is what the dashboard looks like. That's pretty well put together. So as you can see, you've got all this stuff on the left. Your AI avatars, ask for videos, add members, social channels, media library, content bank, branding, and pages, emails. There's a teleprompter, crash courses, and even an AI twin avatar, which is pretty awesome. So right here, you can see you have options for a new script, subtitles, eye contact correction, background replacement, iMusic, and auto short. Alright guys, so BigVU is an AI-powered video creation platform, and it's trusted by over 12 million users. Yes, you heard me right. So BigVue's perfect for people working in social media, like marketers, small businesses, content creation teams, corporate teams, and even some online coaches. So it's really made for anyone in the social media or online space. It will literally take care of everything from your initial idea all the way to the final post. And once you've published it, it handles the entire process. The great thing about using BigVu is that you can do it on any device. Whether it's Mac, Windows, or your phone, you can use it on any device. All right, guys, so I'm going to start with the teleprompter. I've used it many times before, and the best part is that it comes with an AI writer. You can just click on the AI writer, and it'll generate a script for you from just a few words, which is honestly amazing. Alright, guys, so it'll scroll naturally. It works on both your phone and your desktop. So like I mentioned earlier, it works across multiple devices. Another thing is that it helps you avoid forgetting your lines, because you don't have to worry about that anymore. The script is right in front of you with the teleprompter, and it'll save you from having to do multiple takes. Another awesome thing about the teleprompter is that you can use live video and beauty filters to look more polished without any extra prep. Alright, guys, so if we come back here to the main dashboard, you'll see they have some really advanced features. They have an eye contact correction feature, or AI eye contact. Basically, what that means is the AI will automatically correct your gaze so it looks like you're looking straight at the viewer. So even if your eyes wander a bit, the AI will fix it so you appear to be looking directly at your audience. And then they also have text-to-video and AI avatars. You can literally create a digital version of yourself. As you can see right here, there's an AI twin avatar. You can create an AI avatar of yourself, and you can even post videos when you're off camera because of that feature. So those are the advanced features, and honestly, it's a game changer for the social media and marketing space. Hey guys, another thing to mention is that they have AI editing and auto captions. So as you can see, subtitles or auto captions, you can do all of that on BigVu. You can literally add music, do split screen, remove logos, add logos, and you can do a ton of video editing with BigVu. And in most cases, you can even add B-roll to the video, which is actually insane. Okay guys, they also have video messaging, where you can literally turn videos into landing pages for emails or DMs, and it's integrated with some of the biggest platforms like Gmail and Outlook. So as you can see right here, video email, which is pretty freaking cool. They have a social media scheduler, so you can auto-schedule posts on multiple different platforms, so you don't have to sit there and manually upload the videos. You can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so much more, and it's all done through auto-scheduling. So that's BigVu for you guys, and I would highly recommend it. Download BigVu using your referral link to start creating videos that get noticed. Tag BigVu on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. If you have any questions about today's video, please let us know in the comments down below. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our uploads. Until next time, cheers!